Hi everyone and welcome back to our podcast. So today we'll be discussing about a topic that is very familiar in a construction company, which is building in right quality, safety and a smarter construction at Heselton. So I am Muhammad Jamaluddin bin Abdul Jamil and I will be the host for our podcast today. And today we are consulting team for the Heselton Construction Suhan Berhad, who just been awarded at 12-story high-end condominium project in Kelang Valley. So today's big question is, how can Heselton improve quality, safety and overall project performance? So in this podcast, we'll be discussing about three major things, which is quality management system, QMS, total quality management, TQM, and last but not least, safety and health management, including chassis. So let me introduce our panel. Nadira, our quality assurance and quality control engineer. Hanis, our TQM and continuous improvement specialist. And last but not least, Shaf, safety and health officer. So are you guys ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's go. Okay, for the first segment, why quality and safety matter? So in segment 1, why quality and safety matter? So in construction, quality and safety are closely connected. Poor quality leads to rework, delay and also cost overruns, while poor safety can cause injuries, legal issue and also fatalities. So this is why total quality management is so important. TQM doesn't only focus on finishes, it also integrates 4 things: quality system, occupational safety and health, risk management and continuous improvement. So Nadira, let's start with the quality management system. What exactly should Heselton implement in a quality management system?
Okay, thanks Jamal. So I am Nadira Hadani as a QA and QC engineer. So for Heselton, the QM should start with a clear quality policy, and it's something simple but it's strong, like committing to meeting client expectation, statutory requirements and also minimizing the defects. Next, in the project quality plan, this is very important because it explains inspection and test plan, material approval procedures, method statement and lastly drawing control system. All of these compulsory in PQP.
So this is where many projects fail actually, which is poor drawing control and unclear procedures.
Yes, Jamal. Then we have the quality manual, which is sets the overall rules for how quality is managed across the company. On site, quality is maintained through QA, QEC procedures like firstly material inspection upon delivery, second is site inspection during construction, non-conformity reports and also the defect rectification process. And all of this essential if Heselton wants to achieve classic scores of 80% and above.
Nice explanation from our QA and QC engineer. So how about QMS in the system, but TQM is the culture? So Hanis, can you explain how TQM fits into this project?
Sure, Jamal. Hi everyone, my name is Anis Farhana as the TQM specialist, and to answer Jamal's question, total quality management or TQM is about involving everyone, not just the QA team. From management to site workers, everyone plays a role. There are a few key TQM principles, which are customer focus, leadership commitment, employee involvement and continuous improvement. And the most important framework here is the PDCA cycle, which is plan, do, check and act.
Okay, let me break down clearly for hackathon because this is very important for our assessment. So first of all, plan, which is prepare PQP, safety plans and also method statement. Do carry out construction works according to approved procedure. The third one is check, which is conduct inspection, audits, classic assessment, and also act, which is improve process based on defect and also audit finding. Is that correct?
Yes, Jamal. And the key thing about the PDCA is that mistakes are treated as learning opportunities and not something to hide. When PDCA is applied consistently, quality and safety performance naturally improves over time.
Okay, thank you for the explanation, Hanis. Now let's talk about safety because no project is successful if people get hurt. So Shaf, our safety health officer, what are the main safety risks for this 12-story condominium project?
Okay, thank you, Jamal. So let me break down for the safety risk. As for a 12-story condominium project, the main safety risks are pretty clear actually. Working at height is biggest one. Then there's falling object, especially when materials are being lifted. Crane operations are also high risk if one small mistake can lead to serious accidents. Electrical works are another concern, particularly temporary site wiring, and of course, heavy machinery moving around the site can be dangerous if people aren't alert. So to manage all of this, Hazardstone can just rely on common sense. They need a proper safety and a health management plan that follows SHASIC and CIS-10. Okay, so to manage all this risk, Hazardstone cannot just rely on common sense. They need a proper safety and a health management plan that follows SHASIC and CIS-10. Not just for paperwork, but something that's actually applied on site.
And safety isn't just the SHO job, right?
Yep, that's correct, Jamal. And safety isn't only the SHO's responsibility. The client needs to provide enough budget for safety measures. Consultants have to monitor compliance. Contractors must enforce safety rules on site, and workers need to follow SOPs and wear PPE properly.
Let's be honest. Challenges always exist. Some common problems on site include poor drawing control, inconsistent material inspection, weak internal communication, and KPI focusing more on speed than quality. So, Nadira, how does this affect quality?
This affect quality by it leads to reworks, delay, lower classic scores. Right, Anis?
Yes, I agree with you, Nat. So from a TQM perspective, it also kills quality culture as people rush instead of doing things right.
Yep, that's true, Anis. And rushing usually increase accident rates.
So all of these are connected. So what should Hazardstone do moving forward?
My suggestion is Hazardstone need to digitize drawing control and also inspection records.
That's right. And I also think that we should align KPIs with quality and safety performance, not just project duration.
And I think strengthened safety leadership are crucial too. Like supervisors must lead everyone.
So when QMS, TQM and safety management are integrated, Hazardstone can receive a reduced rework, improve Q Classic and Chassis score, enhance company reputation and also deliver a safer and higher quality project. So to conclude our podcast for today, quality and safety do not happen by accident. They require system, commitment, teamwork and also continuous improvement. If Hazardstone applies QMS, embrace TQM and also strengthen safety and health management, the project would not just look good, but it will be built right. So thank you everyone for listening, and also thank you to our guests and panels. Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye everyone.